I remember.
Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a Chanel unboxing. I got it yesterday from a personal shopper. As per usual, I already untied the ribbon because I want to make sure if everything is complete inside, but I haven't really looked into it because I was going out all day yesterday with my family, and today we're going to unbox this together. Here is the receipt. Here is the booklet, just the standard with cloth, and this little one. And here is the camellia. Now, can you guess what it is? It's a bag and it's cute. So here is the Chanel Gabrielle in small size, in quilted pattern. I think this one is the calfskin, distressed calfskin, and you can see the bottom. And here is the zipper pull. How cute it is. The inside is the red color in fabric lining. And now the start. Still detached from the bag. I don't know how to put it on, but let's try. It has 3 colors: the gold, the ruthenium hardware, and the silver hardware. So let's try to put it on the bag. I hope I'm doing it right. I know this bag, when this bag first came out, I wasn't crazy about it. I thought it was ugly, but over time I really fell in love with it. I think it is cute and looks like it will be functional. Why is it so hard to... Okay. Okay, I'm going to do it off camera. Okay, finally I did it. So the strap is on. I think I'm doing it right. Yay! And the button here in ruthenium and in gold hardware. As I was mentioned before that when this bag first came out, I forgot when, I didn't like it. I thought it was ugly, but over time I have grown to like this one. I think this bag looks cute and certainly will be useful, functional for me. I will use it as a everyday bag. I plan to. So here is my new baby. This bag, I think the bag that took me a long time to finally pull the trigger. I think this bag would be more useful than my, say, rectangular mini, because I love the practicality of this bag. The zipper opening here, you can open it easily like this. And I think although this one is the small size, it can carry more than my rectangular mini. I haven't tried to put my things in yet, but once I use this bag enough, I probably do a review. I know that this bag is not everyone's cup of tea, but I just fall in love and I cannot help it. So here is the inside with one zipper pocket on the back here. all in fabric lining. This is the authenticity card. Mine is in 27 series. It's this year. And this is Chanel made in Italy tag. And we have one sleeve pocket here. It's a generous size with one little pocket here, maybe for lipstick or pen. So that's all guys for my unboxing today. Thank you so much for your time and hope to see you again soon guys.
The feel of the air touch my skin. Am I real? 'Cause I felt something leave from within. I feel empty. Have I got nothing left to give?